It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be your little lullaby. Help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up. 'Cause with you the future seems so bright. Won't you stay here by my side?
Had a rare day off on a day in May, so we took the old car and drove it far away. We stopped out where the trees stand quiet, walked and talked of how the world conspires to take our time away from this, working such long hours just to live. I don't wanna live like they do. I wanna build a new world for you. as the sun went down over cedar tops, and you scratched our name in the cooling rocks. You lay back on the side of me, sighed and said, "This is all I need." And I felt all our years like they were just today. And I pulled you close, knowing there's a way. I don't wanna live like they do. I wanna build a new world for you.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Whoa. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. And I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. And she hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. She took away all of my youth now. 20 going on 42 now. I hesitate and then get chewed out. No point in conversations, I can't seem to shake this. Cause she hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Oh, I don't wanna buy you drugs, drugs, drugs.
I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirlooms. Calculating all the aftermath. Now when nemesis, a menace in my mind, but protagonist in all my dreams, concealing all my doubts. I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live with doubt. I hear you calling my name, the feelings we couldn't contain, faults that we had were made. There really no one to blame. Actions that came from blame. I trust you, but now it's a raise. If I could, I'd call you, I'd tell you I need you. I wouldn't know what else to say, but who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms.